Kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never.